Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems, delivering smart assembly workstation solutions powered by Brilliant FAS, MES, SAP integration, Pick-to-Light, and Industry 4.0 technologies. Manufacturers face challenges such as wrong part selection, manual assembly errors, quality issues, production delays, and limited traceability. While SAP ERP manages planning and inventory, Brilliant MES bridges the gap between ERP and the shop floor by controlling, validating, and recording every assembly operation in real time. Production orders are automatically received from SAP. Operators log into the workstation and receive digital work instructions, assembly sequences, and quality checkpoints. Integrated Pick-to-Light systems guide operators to the correct components, eliminating picking errors and improving productivity, while hand sensors confirm each process step. Color sensors automatically verify product variants, and fixture and tool validation ensure the correct equipment is used throughout the assembly process. Once assembly is complete, Brilliant MES automatically generates production confirmations, material consumption records, and receipt transactions, instantly updating SAP without manual intervention. Every production activity is recorded within Brilliant MES, providing complete product traceability, genealogy, real-time dashboards, operator performance, and manufacturing KPIs for total shop floor visibility. With Brilliant FAS smart assembly solutions, manufacturers achieve error-free assembly, improved quality, complete traceability, higher productivity, and seamless SAP integration. Transform your assembly operations with Brilliant FAS and unlock the future of smart digital manufacturing. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes Pick-to-Light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.